What's up, guys? So we're gonna install this NOCO Genius Gen5X1 into our vehicle. It's an onboard battery tent. It's padded. It's IP68, water and dust resistant. I mean, essentially waterproof, but we won't go that far to say. Install super easy. You do need a 2-inch drill bit to install this port that's sold separately. I bought it on Amazon. You can find both items on Amazon. I actually originally bought this and then realized one of these would be really helpful. So now all I have to do is plug right into the side. I'll have some stupid water over here to like plug into. And it's dust proof, it's water resistant, or dust resistant, water resistant. So anyways, I hope this helps some of you guys out, especially with those of you who have vehicles like mine, which tend to sit in the garage for long periods of time or in the driveway. This should help solve your battery problem. All right, so we're gonna drill in our hole for the power connection right here. All right, with our hole cut, go ahead and feed the outlet plug in. Next, we're gonna find a spot. Next, we're gonna find a spot for our NOCO Genius. I found a spot right here on my air filter box. So it'll ultimately sit in this position, out of the way, and a little bit protected from the elements as well. All right, so now that I know where I want to position my NOCO unit, I'll go ahead and tap it in. One. There we go. We got our NOCO installed on the air filter. Go ahead and reinstall our deal here. Just like that. The final product will look like this on our air filter box. All right, so I'm gonna go to the main accessory battery here because that's the one that I always end up killing when I forget to put her on the charger. And to this terminal right here. Put this here. Put this here. Okay, so we got our negative connected, and we're going to bring our positive in, connect that. All right, so I've got my power cable routed down on the side of the vehicle here, and I'm going to probably follow this line across, and I'm going to run it over here to get it into the quarter panel, just like that. All right, so before I finalize my wiring, I'm going to make sure that everything works. Got power to the system, and sure enough, we have power to all the functions of the NOCO. Good to go.